I'll have 2 pieces of smoked haddock, please. It's my dad's favourite.
Don't you want something for your mum?
She's dead. I've only got this. Could you cut a bit off, please?
It's all right, son. You can have a tail bit on me, all right?
How do you cook it?
Warm the grill first, rub it with a bit of butter, and put it on just before you're going to eat. 10 minutes, absolute max, understood?
Thank you. Where have you been?
Just a little detained. Did you cook this?
It's ruined.
No, it's not. It's just how I like it.
No, it isn't. It's bad.
Mmm.
Dad, you don't have to eat it.
Delicious.